Hello children, welcome to Standard 6 Unit 1 Poem Teamwork. Here the poet gives most essential quality required to win the game. Let's see the essential quality. Teamwork. A battle can be won or lost by the spirit of the team if they all work together. If they all work together, the team definitely win the game. Here also, see this picture. All the children are work together. The game will be won. The poet expresses the essential quality required to win the game. What are the essential qualities? Courage, skill, and the teamwork. The poem name is Teamwork. The poem was written by Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest began his illustrious career in 1895 at the age of 14, when his first work first appeared in the Detroit Free Press. His column was syndicated in over 300 newspapers. His column was syndicated means published in over 300 newspapers. And he came to be known as the poet of the people. Guest was made poet laureate of Michigan, the only poet to have been awarded the title. What's the title? Poet laureate of Michigan. His poems often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. His poem was an inspirational poem for everyday life. And here also he gives most essential qualities to inspirational of the team players. His year was 1881 to 1895. Here the poem part 1. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill does not tell the man you are. For there's no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team. They may sound your prize and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. Let's see the explanation of poem. Teamwork. It's all very well to have courage and skill, and it's fine to be counted as stars. It's good to have courage and talent to achieve something. It's all fine to be counted as a star. Yes. Then, but the single deed with its touch of thrill doesn't tell the man you are, but the thrilling single act doesn't tell anyone your abilities. Yes, a single touch will not tell your abilities. The teamwork will tell your abilities. For there is no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to a bigger scheme. There is no single hand in the game we play. All of us as a team should work to a bigger plan or aim. You can achieve, you can work together. Okay. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team. The things that matters in the world today is how do you get along with your teammates. Yes, the thing that you can win means you can mingle with your teammates. They may sound your prize and call you great. They may single you out for fame. Sometimes people may prize you, call you great, and they may give you special attention from others for fame. Yes, whatever they can achieve, but you must work with your running mate or you will never win the game. But you must earnestly with your teammate or you will never win the game. You have to mingle with your teammate and you will win the game. This is the end of the section 1 for the teamwork poem. Thanks for listening. Thank you, children.